from closed guard, okay? Let's say the person goes ahead and stands up over here effectively, which is the most effective way to get past the closed guard is basically to stand up and get to a vertical posture here, okay? So what in a situation like this where you feel like there's nothing going for you in terms of guard play, no submissions, and you feel like, yeah, the pressure's starting to build on your legs, it's going to force you to uncross your legs. So he starts putting the pressure here, and then it forces you to uncross your legs. Now look what you have here. Just stay where you are. Don't step back there. Thank you very much. Good. So here, you have two extended legs that he can attack, okay? First of all, he can grab my ankles and just throw them by. See, clamp my ankles, throw my legs by. Good. And get past your legs. Or he can start going into leg locks, directly into leg locks. Why? Because look, I have two extended legs. So this we can't afford to offer this to anybody, all right? So here's my recommendation. So back to closed guard on your knees. Over here, you go ahead and stand up. Thank you. What I'm suggesting is if you feel like you don't have a game here, nothing going for you in terms of sweeps or submissions, you feel like the pressure's building on your legs and he's going to force you to uncross your legs, do it before he forces you to uncross your own legs, right? So decide to uncross your own legs and lower your hips, just like so, and get an angle here. Okay? Try and grab my legs and throw them by. It's a lot more difficult. You can't go in on the legs for some kind of a leg attack, okay? But not only that, it gives me also a great angle to start moving on to the leg entangles of my own. That's a favorable position for me. So the lesson here is, once again, back in the closed guard,